Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can train your post and your products in your WordPress site using AI Smart Search plugin. So to get started, please make sure that you have set your API key under AI Smart Search plugin page settings. If you have done so, you can straight go on the post options where you can see a new tab called AI Smart Search. To train your post, you just simply need to click on the train button. After you click on the train button, it can take up to a few seconds to train your post. After the training is completed, you can see a success pop-up. You just need to click on OK. And that's done. You have successfully trained your post using AI Smart Search plugin. Now say if in case you want to untrain your product, or maybe you don't want this post to be shown under search results, you simply need to click on forget. This can again take a few seconds to forget the post. Once it's done, you will again see a success pop-up. This is how you can train or forget your post in WordPress dashboard. Similarly, to train or forget your products, you simply need to hover on products option, click on all products. Over here, again you will be able to see a new tab called AI Smart Search. And to train this product, you just need to click on train button. Once the training is successful, you will see a success message. Again, if you want to untrain this product and you don't want to show this product in search results, you simply need to click on forget. Once that's done, again you will be seeing a success pop-up. So this is how you can train or untrain your post and product in your WordPress site using AI Smart Search plugin. I hope this video helped you. Thank you.